Hello everyone, this is the solar battery kit designed by Sunba. This battery could feed the 4G PTZ camera in a remote areas whereas without electricity and internet, such as construction sites, fish farms, cattle and sheep pastures, etc. After the battery is fully charged, the camera could work in rainy weather continuously up to 5 days and 4 nights. For the specific parameters of this battery kit, please refer to the datasheet which could be downloaded on Sunba official website. Okay, let's unpack it and see what is in this big package. The first thing you see is the battery and brackets etc. This is a PTZ camera adapter bracket. The 4 holes on the bracket just match the 603D25X PTZ camera wall bracket. This adapter bracket can be directly installed on the pole. This is the battery, and this battery is built in the metal bracket, which is very safe. The battery and solar panel are connected by MC4 waterproof plug, which is very easy to install. The DC output plug is for the camera, and the green DC output plug is for other DC12V devices, such as light or bullet camera. This is a special waterproof tape. After the installation, use tape make sure all the connector of the DC power supply is waterproof. This is a quality inspection card, and each battery sent out has gone through layers of QC steps. These 4 are U-shaped brackets, which can be used to fix the solar panel set on the pole. The pole should not be too thick. This pack is the screws to hold the battery and solar panel in place. Don't forget that there are 6 hoop brackets hidden under the cardboard. Some of the pillars are too thick and U-shaped brackets cannot be installed, so we also prepared 6 hoop brackets for your spare. This is the actual effect of mounting with the hoop bracket. This is a 60W monocrystalline silicon solar panel. The bracket is pre-installed, and the installation can be completed easily. The sticker on the back is a quick installation manual. Next, I will show you how to fix the battery and connect the plug and so on. There is a red arrow on the bracket of the solar panel and a red arrow on the battery. The 2 arrows are installed in the same direction. Align the 4 holes on the battery with the 4 holes on the solar panel bracket to install the screws. Separate the nut and bolt. The nut is below, and the bolt is installed through the hole. Fix the 4 bolts and nuts first. It will be faster and more convenient if you do it with a power tool. The tail of the bolt is a hex thread. After installing and fixing these 4 screws, we can connect all the plug. The MC4 waterproof plug is very easy to connect. The male and female plugs are inserted correspondingly to ensure a good connection between them. These nuts are for securing the U-brackets. These are used when securing the entire set to the pole. Of course, you can also use your own way if you have a better mounting method. Don't forget to do a bench test for at least 1 day to make sure the power supply is good and the camera is working correctly, and then install it at the destination. If you have any questions, please write to us. Our after-sales team is always standing behind the products outside. Thanks for watching.